Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to private your friend list on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the Facebook app and go to menu and scroll down and click on setting and privacy. Now click on settings and search who can see my friend list. And now click on who can see your friend list and click on public and then select on only me. Now your friend list is finally private. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.